Hi everyone, this is a quick recap of what we did in class today. So if you are looking at your agenda, the day of the week and the date and the day and the period might be different, but the lesson is the same no matter what period you are in. So this is the first half of lesson 1.23 called The Road to Success. You can see there's a PDN for you to answer, and then the main activity for the day is a Nearpod of the text, which is Obama's keynote address to the 2004 Democratic Convention. And then the last step is to update your essay brainstorming doc with a quote from that speech. So if you go into your classwork tab, under Cycle 19, there is an assignment called 123 Part 1. That assignment contains two things. One is a link to the Nearpod. So when you click on that, it will take you to welcome to your lesson. Your name will be in it. You can join. And this works very much like Edpuzzle in that you play it. The video is here for you. It is subtitled in Spanish. And then when you get to these various points, it will ask you questions that you need to type your answers in for. Once you get to the end and answer the last question, all of your answers will be saved and sent to me. And you are done with the Nearpod portion. The next thing you need to do is to choose a quote from Obama's speech to add to your essay brainstorming document. So I connected a Google Doc here that has the text of the speech in it. If you scroll down, you can find the Spanish version underneath. So you just need to choose whatever quote you want, copy and paste it. And put it into your argument essay brainstorming doc on the correct line. So this is the second to last text we are reading before we start talking about writing the argument essay. And once you have done those two things, you are done for the day.